Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make winter tea for cold and flu. It is winter again and the weather is cold. It is period people get flu and super cold. So let's dive into it and see how I make this tea. So my number one ingredient is turmeric powder. Keep watching and don't go away so you know the quantity I will be using for this winter tea. Then my number two ingredient is black pepper. Here in Nigeria we call it oziza seed. This is a very nice ingredient for cold and flu. Then number three ingredient is ginger. I have fresh ginger. Like I said, keep watching and see the quantity I will use for the cup of winter tea you see. And then I have cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is very good for fighting cold and flu. So don't go away, watch and see how I prepare this, because the method you think might not be the method I'll be using in this video. And here is my lemon, and I peeled off the yellow part of the lemon to use for another purpose. So that's why you see the skin looking the way it is, everyone. Keep watching. Let's make this winter tea together because we all need it to ward off cold and flu, because it's easy to get flu these days. So the first thing I do is to place my pot on fire and then add 1 full cup of water and bring it to a boil. So while that is aside, after washing my ginger, I cut it into two. So I'll be using half thumb of ginger. So the next thing I do is to go ahead and peel it off. Hello everyone, if this is your first time in my channel, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and turn on the bell for notification, because new videos are updated every week on this channel. Don't forget to share my video to your friends and families. So at this point I'll just cut it into smaller shape, and next I will transfer it into a clean mortar and pound it without water. You could blend it if you do not have mortar, but do not add water. We want ginger water. We want a winter tea that is super spicy and very good to ward off cold and flu in this winter period. So next, after I pounded my ginger, the next thing I do is to add it to the boiling water and allow it to boil for 2 minutes on a medium flame. And then next I will add half teaspoon of black pepper in my mortar and go ahead and pound it. You could use blender as well if you do not have the energy for pounding, or you do not have a small mortar like mine. Everyone, keep watching and don't go away. Watch to the end and see how I prepare this super winter tea. It's super good. It clears your lungs very well. So after pounding, I will add half teaspoon of black pepper and take a clean turning stick and stir it to combine. And then next I will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and then I will take a turning stick and stir to combine and allow it to boil on a medium flame for 1 minute. You notice the lemon is not added yet. That is why I said keep watching and see how I prepare this winter tea. Is super good for cold and flu. after watching this video, give it a try and give me your feedback at the comment section down below, and all the ingredients used will be at the description bars down below. And don't forget to watch other videos on this channel. I have so many videos on healthy drinks and refreshing drinks. So after I'm boiling it for 1 minute, I transferred it into a clean sieve to sieve off the particles, and then at this point I will cut my lemon into 2 parts. I'll be using the smaller part of the lemon, and please make sure you take off the seed because we don't need that for our winter tea. So next I will squeeze in the juice into the tea, and it is almost ready. Don't go away, keep watching. And if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share my video to your friends and family. This tea was super relieving, and that is why I said let me share it with my friends and family, especially those of my friends abroad living in the area that is super cold. This is super good for you. So our tea is ready to be served, and thanks so much any subscribers for your support. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, see you in the next video, and bye for now.